Let's continue with current ratio in the next question. Okay. Question number 4. Okay. Shine Limited has a current ratio 4.1 is to 1. Okay. So current ratio 4.1 is to 1. And quick ratio is also given here. Quick ratio is 3 is to 1. And they have told that if the inventory is 36,000, okay, inventory 36,000, find out what are current liability, how much is the current liability, how much is current asset. So we are going to find out how much is current asset, current liability. We are provided with ratios, both current ratio and quick ratio is given. Okay, the question is clear. So the first thing we'll write current ratio. Current ratio is equal to current asset by current liability. How much is that? It is given, it is 4.5 is to 1. That means 4.1 divided by 1. Cross multiply and let us make it as an equation. Cross multiply current asset into 1, current liability into 4.5. So it becomes 4.5 current liability is equal to current asset. That is equation number 1. That much is clear. Okay. 4.5 current liability is equal to current assets. Take it as equation number 1. Consider it as equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, we'll do it with quick ratio also. So quick ratio or liquid ratio is equal to liquid ratio is equal to, it is given 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1 means 3 by 1 is equal to liquid assets divided by current liability. Liquid assets or quick assets, whatever it is. Again, cross multiply and frame another equation. Cross multiply. So it becomes 3 into current liability. 3 into current liability is equal to 1 into quick asset. So we have 2 equations now. Clear, no? First equation is 4.5 current liability is equal to current asset. Second equation is 3 current liabilities is equal to quick asset. Now in the question we are given inventory. Okay, inventory is given 36,000. We know that quick asset is equal to, how to find out the liquid assets? Liquid asset is equal to current assets minus inventory. Yes, liquid assets, or you can say quick asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. Okay, now taking 36,000 outside, that is bringing it to the left hand side, it becomes 36,000 is equal to 36,000 is equal to current asset minus quick asset. Is it okay? I mean, is it clear? We are bringing 36,000 to the left hand side and quick assets gone to the right hand side. LHS, RHS. Okay. So it becomes 36,000 is equal to current asset minus quick assets. So here we have current assets and quick assets. Now From equation number 1 and 2, we are going to substitute current asset and quick asset. According to equation number 1, we have found out that current asset is equal to 4.5 current liability. Okay? So instead of current assets, we are going to write 4.5 current liabilities in the place of current asset. Okay? Minus quick asset. 36,000 is equal to current asset minus quick asset. Am I right? So instead of current asset, we are writing 4.5 current liability. Why? According to equation number 1. Now, according to equation number 2, we are going to substitute quick assets as 3 current liability. Current liability. So it becomes 36,000 is equal to 4.5 current liability minus 3 current liability. 4.5 CL minus 3 CL. So what is it? Subtract. It becomes 1.5 CL is equal to 36,000. 36,000 is equal to 1.5 current liabilities. Now you can find out CL. How much is CL? 36,000 divided by 1.5 will give you current liability. 36,000 divided by 1.5. Okay. So you get current liability as 24,000. Now we can substitute, we can put it that in equation number 1. We found out what is current liability. Current liability is 24,000. So according to equation number 1, 4.5 into current liability is equal to current asset. Okay. So how much is current asset? 4.5 into 24,000. Is it okay? 4.5 into 24,000. So this is the way we find out the current asset and current liability from the given informations. Please complete it. Do you want me to explain it again? Both the ratios are given. We have formed equations from the formulas of both the ratios. Details of inventory is given. So we are substituting the values in the inventory, that equation. You get current liabilities. Then using that we can find the current asset. Is it over? Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Number 5. Question number 5 in your textbook. So here, Current liabilities of a company are given 75,000. Current liability is given. Current ratio is given 4:1 and liquid ratio is given 1:1. Calculate value of current asset, liquid asset and inventory. That is the question. Okay. Current liability is directly given 75,000. Current ratio and liquid ratio is given. Find the value of current asset, liquid asset and inventory. So let us begin by writing the formula for current ratio. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Okay. So check what are the various informations given. Current ratio is given to you 4:1. That means 4/1 is equal to 4/1 is equal to current assets divided by current liability is given. You have current liability in the question 75,000. So what is current assets now? Current asset is equal to 75,000 into 4. So current assets, you get 3 lakhs. Okay. Current asset is equal to 3 lakh. Coming to the next ratio, again we have liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets divided by current liability. Now check what is the ratios given. Liquid asset, how much is liquid ratio? Current ratio is given. Liquid ratio is 1:1. Okay. 1/1 is equal to liquid assets divided by 75,000. So how much is liquid assets? 75,000. 1/1 is equal to liquid assets divided by 75,000. So 1 into 75,000. You get liquid assets as 75,000. So we have found out the current assets, liquid assets, current liability already given, and the last step is to find out how much is the inventory. How to calculate inventory? Inventory is equal to current asset minus liquid asset. You have all the informations. Current asset we found out it is 3 lakh. Liquid asset we found out that is 75,000. So how much is liquid asset? I'm sorry, how much is inventory? Current asset minus liquid asset. Inventory is equal to 2,25,000. Okay. The next question. Sixth question. Number 6. Question number 6. Honda Limited has inventory of 20,000. Inventory is given 20,000. Total liquid assets are 1 lakh. Liquid assets are given and quick ratio is given. Now we are asked to find out what is current ratio. Okay, current ratio. So write down what, just write what is the formula of quick ratio and find out current liabilities. Quick ratio is equal to liquid assets by current liabilities. Quick ratio is given to you 2:1. That means 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is equal to liquid assets 1 lakh divided by current liability. So what is current liability? How to find current liability? 2 by 1 is equal to 1 lakh divided by current liability. Cross multiply, you get 2 into current liability is equal to 1 lakh. So current liability is equal to 1 lakh divided by 2. Okay. Now, we got current liabilities. Now, how to find current assets? We know that liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. This is what we learned. Yes. So, how to find current asset? Liquid assets plus inventory is equal to current asset. So you get current asset. Liquid asset is 1 lakh given in the question. Inventory is also given in the question. So current asset is equal to 1 lakh 20,000. Now find out what is current ratio. Current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. Please find out what is current ratio. Tell me the answer. Yes, please give me the answer in the chat box or tell me, raise your hand. How much is current ratio? Yes, okay. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Anjo. Right answer. Always bring it to the shortest form. Okay, Aparna, bring it to the shortest form. Your answer is right, but this is not the way. You will again divide it, bring it to the shortest form. Yes, please complete it. I'll give you additional question. Those who have completed, please take down the next question. Do try it yourself, okay? Okay. Current ratio is equal to current ratio. Current ratio is equal to 3 is to 1. Others give me the answer in the chat box, then you will do this. Quick ratio is equal to 2 is to 1. I hope we didn't do this problem, okay? If it is done, please tell me. Inventory is equal to 40,000. 40,000. Calculate, find out current asset, current liability. I hope the question is clear. Current ratio is given 3 is to 1. Quick ratio is given 2 is to 1. Inventory 40,000. Okay. Now find out CA and CL, current asset as well as current liability. Those who have completed, please do it. Give me the answer. Then others, please find out that the previous current ratio. Give me the answer in the chat box. Then you do this. Yes. Hannah, right answer. Over. Shubham. So in the previous question, the answer is 2.4, 2.4 is to 1. So 1,20,000 by 50,000, cut out the zeros, finally you get 12 by 5. Again, bring it to the shortest form, that is 12 divided by 5. You get 2, 10, 2, 4. 2.4. 2.4 is to 1. This is how you get the ratio. Okay, so please do this question which I gave you. Thank you. So current ratio, how to find current ratio? Current asset divided by current liability is equal to 3 by 1. Just let me check. Current asset is equal to, let me see, some problem somewhere. 1,20,000. No. Let us see. Okay. We'll do it together. Current ratio is equal to current asset by current liability. That is 3 is to... yes. Answers are correct. Yeah. Aparna, yes, right answer. Anjo, right answer. Yes, Aparna, right answer. Karthik, right answer. Okay, correct. Please do it, others. Current asset by current liability is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, so we are going to form the equation. It becomes cross multiply 3 current liability is equal to current assets. This is equation number 1. Okay, now coming to the next one, quick ratio. Quick ratio is equal to liquid assets divided by current liability. And how much is that? Is equal to 2 by 1. Again, you get 2 into CL is equal to LA. Am I right? Okay, that is done. Now we know that liquid assets is equal to current asset minus inventory. Okay. How much is liquid assets? Liquid asset, we know it is 2CL now. Is equal to CA, what is CA? 3CL. 3CL is equal to, 3CL minus 40,000. Okay. So, 3CL minus 2CL. CL is equal to 40,000. 40,000, we are taking it other side, 3CL minus 2CL. So current liability is equal to 40,000. Are you all able to do this? At least up to this? Current liability? 40,000. So current liability, we got the current liability now. Now how much is current asset? Current asset, we know according to Equation number 1, 3 into current liability is current asset. 3 into current liability is current asset. Okay, current asset is equal to 3 into current liability. So 3 into 40,000. That is equal to 1,20,000. Your current asset. Okay. Are you all able to do? Only 3 gave me the answer. Anjo, Aparna and Karthik gave me the answer. Nobody else in the chat. I'll give you one more question. Similar type. Okay, one more question. Take down. Current ratio is equal to, just a second. Current ratio is equal to 3.5 is to 1. And quick ratio is equal to 2 is to 1. Inventory is equal to, this is a question that appeared in 2012 question paper, CBSE. Inventory is equal to 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Same model, only the figures are different. Find out current asset, current liability. Calculate current asset, current liability. Okay. Finish it. Give me the answer in the chat box. Yes, Aparna, Karthik, right answer. Anjo, right answer. Please do it, everyone. So from this section, keep in mind two more equations, that is working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Then liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. These are additional two equations that should be noted. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. That is one. Then what? Liquid asset is equal to current asset minus inventory. Okay. Then today we discussed about current ratio and liquid ratio. These are the two ratios coming under liquidity ratios. Liquidity ratio, that means to know the short-term solvency of the business. Current ratio is current asset by current liability. Liquid ratio, also known as quick ratio, acid test ratio. The formula is liquid assets or quick assets divided by current liability. So from the current asset minus the inventory, prepaid expenses, if it is there in the balance sheet, and advance tax, etc. Then what else? Or else you can just take only cash and the other one, rest of the current assets, except these. Okay. So I stop with this. Accounting ratios, I stop with this. Okay. Next day we'll move on to the another category, next category of ratio. In the upcoming hours, upcoming sessions, we'll be discussing share capital. Okay. Please complete others. Please. Only 3 answers I'm getting in the chat box. Why? I hope you are able to do. Okay. I complete with this. I wind up with this. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.